Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies regularly and sincerely. Today, we are here to learn a new topic, three forms of verb. But before I start that, we must recapitulate what are verbs. Verbs are action words. As you can see in the picture, so many actions you can see here like pick up, punch, bend, lift, carry, etc. Now here are few more examples of verbs. I ride my bike, I play video games, I swim in the pool, etc. So we can say verbs are words that are used to describe an action, a state of being, or an occurrence. In the above examples, all the underlined words are verbs like ride, play, swim, and walk. Now it's time to learn three forms of verb. Before we go further, to learn three forms of verb, we must know verb tense. Verb means action and tense means time. Verbs change depending on what time you are referring to. For example, present tense verbs. These are the actions that are happening now. For example, I talk a lot. Talk shows present tense verb. Next is past tense verbs, actions that have already happened. For example, he talked to me yesterday. The action talked shows that this is past tense verb. Next comes future tense verbs, actions that are going to happen at some time in the future. For example, I will talk to my teacher tomorrow. So, will talk shows that this is future tense verb. I hope you have understood. Now, it's time to learn three forms of verb. Let's get started. My dear children, three forms of verb is very important topic as it will be the foundation of tenses which are main pillars for learning English properly. There are three forms of verb: present, past and past participle. Present tense means the base form. For example, come, go, awake, etc. Past tense means the past form. For example, came, went, awoke, etc. Next comes past participle form, means the ed form. For example, wanted, shocked, given. The only way to learn three forms of verb is memorize it. So, let's go through the table. See, arise, arose, arisen. Awake, awoke, awaken. Become, became, become. Bite, bit, bitten. Dig, dug, dug. Drive, drove, driven. So in this way there are so many verbs which you have to learn to know its correct usage. Okay? Now, one thing you have to remember children, that there are few words which have all three same forms of verb, and in somewhere they are different, and in some forms of verb the spelling is same but the pronunciation is different. For example, read, read, read. Okay, I hope you have understood verbs and its three forms. Now go through the video once again and do the exercises given in the PDF neatly in your practice notebook. Thank you and take care.